and swivel to the right to underhand, swivel to the left to overhand, swivel to the right to underhand, swivel to the left to overhand, one more time to the right to underhand, and back to overhand on the left, same time circles, split time circles, and split time big, turn to underhand, and come small, and back to same time, and make it big, turn back to overhand, make it small. Okay, now we're going to plane shift and go into that corkscrew that we went into. We're just doing it from the other side. So you're here, you pull it into the clockwise corkscrew. Yes, and turn to the right, make it split time, go back to together time, and then come out in the front, so facing the screen, facing me. We're going to tap on our right hip, up, counterclockwise, turn with it, and then come down in together time, on the left, tap just the tip, on the hip, turn to the right, into the overhand giant on the right, and then make it small, and together time, and stall again, and back to split time, make it big, turn left to underhand, turn right to overhand, turn left to underhand, come back to small, together time. Let's start again here on the left. Split time circle small, left foot is forward. Now let's go big, and turn to the right, focus on the right hand, bring it up and over, the left one will follow, then straighten it out in underhand on your right side. Now bring it small. Now go big again. Now we're going to turn back to overhand on the left, and then we'll go small, and then together time, and now we'll stall. We'll come out underhand, so now we're the other way. Now split time, and now go big. Now we're the other way. We're going to turn back to overhand. So this was the first way, the primary way that you learned. And then go small, and then go big, and turn back to underhand, and then go small. Same time. Now stall, only once. Now split time. Now we're back to the secondary way you learned. In overhand, go big, turn to the right to underhand, and then go small, and then same time, and stall, and now go big. Oh, sorry, split time, then go big. And then turn left, back to overhand, make it small, same time, stall, just once, underhand now, split time, now go big. Now you're back to your primary way. Turn right to overhand, turn left to underhand, make it small, same time, stall but just once, now you're overhand, split time, now you're in your secondary direction. Now make it big, turn right to underhand, turn back the other way to overhand, make it small, same time, stall just once, now you're underhand, now split time, now you're back to your primary way, make it big, swivel right, swivel left, come back small, same time, stall once, overhand now, split time, now we're in our secondary direction, make it big, swivel to the right, swivel to the left, make it small, same time, stall, split time, now you're in underhand split time, we're back to our primary direction, make it big, to the right once, to the left once, back to small, same time. Woo!